Hey folks, so you probably figured out that I'm a fish today. I decided to try out Adobe Character Animate and just frankly give myself a little break from performing because filming is a pretty intense performance process and it's kind of a pain. Not gonna lie, it is kind of a pain. So, yeah, let's dive in and talk about um, factor analysis. Cool. So, we have covered a lot of material this semester so far. I'm gonna just give us a little brief overview to remind us where we've been. So, we first started talking about the context of testing, focusing on the foundations and nature of testing, as well as dedicating serious time to think about the history of testing, as well as some of the ethical implications. Then we dove into the foundational methodology. We talked about the basic statistics, standards and norms, classical test theory, reliability, and validity. And now we get to put all of that together with factor analysis. So that's where we're going. Spoilers. So recall that the goal of psychometrics is to measure or quantify psychological phenomena and to try and use those measurable and quantifiable items, such as questionnaires and behavioral observations, to capture some metaphysical or at least something that is not easily measurable, at least directly. So to reach that goal, we need items that actually relate to the concept we are trying to measure. So that's validity. Then we need to relate. Oops, sorry, Archie is interrupting, but you cannot see him. But I think you can hear him. And to establish that connection, we use correlation and prediction to show criterion, particularly concurrent and predictive, as well as construct, convergent and discriminant validity, related to relate our evidence to validity. So note that the criterion we use in criterion-related validity is not the concept directly either, but just another way, either behavioral or clinical, of measuring our concept. And lastly, content-related validity is decided separately by experts and not part of the factor analytic process. Okay, so to reach this goal, we need items that consistently measure the construct across samples and time and that are consistently related to each other. That's reliability. We use correlations, test retest, parallel form, split half, and the variance sum laws, so that's coefficient alpha, to measure reliability. We even talked about ways of calculating the number of items needed to reach a desired reliability. So, why do we want consistent items? Domain sampling theory says that they should be. So if the items are reliably measuring the same thing, then they should all be related to each other because we often want to create a single total score for each individual person. So this is scaling. Now, how do we do that? What's the easiest way? Could there be a better way? Spoilers! Actually, I'm leaving this as a cliffhanger. But you might be able to figure it out. Factor analysis. So I'll leave you with that, and I'll see you in the next video. I might be a fish, I might be a person, I haven't decided yet.